5 minutes, I will show you how to start a YouTube automation business and earn thousands just clicking on a generate button. You don't need to edit your video. You don't need to add effects or something. Only just clicking on a button and your video is ready. And this website is fully free. So let's begin into this video. Step 1, just enter on ChatGPT and click on this text box and write this prompt. Make 10 video script about educational and facts video for my YouTube short video and make only voiceover. Then ChatGPT will make 10 video script. Then copy the first script. Then step 2, come over hypernatural.ai and sing up for free. Then click on the plus icon, then paste your script here. Then you can choose your voiceover. I am not choosing any of this. Then click on continue option. Then click on the YouTube shorts ratio. Then click on continue. Then choose your video style. I am choosing anime style. Then click on continue. Then choose your caption style. I am choosing comic style. Then click on continue. Then again click on continue. Then click on generate video. Then boom, your video is going to ready. If this video is ready, you can edit your video on here. If you don't want to edit your video, just go to download option and download. Now upload your video and monetize your channel. Then earn thousands.
What if the internet suddenly disappeared? Imagine waking up one day and the internet is completely gone. No Wi-Fi, no social media, no online games, just silence. Sounds terrifying, right? First, communication would be a mess. No texting, no video calls, no emails. You'd actually have to call people, or even worse, meet them in person. But it gets worse. Businesses, banks, and even hospitals rely on the internet. Without it, money transfers would stop, GPS wouldn't work, and finding simple information would take forever. And social media? Gone. No more viral trends, no more memes, and influencers? They'd have to get real jobs. At first, people might panic, but over time, things could slow down. More face-to-face conversations, outdoor activities, and maybe even less stress. So would life be better or worse without the internet? Let me know what you think.